Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 233 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about connecting with the light within yourself, a gentle inner glow that is always present. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Visualize a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. With each breath, let it grow brighter and warmer. Now, say to yourself, I carry light within me. My inner light guides me, and I shine calmly and steadily. Breathe gently, feeling this light fill your body and mind. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this inner light with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.